Sea monkeys have captured the imagination of children since the late 1950s, and yet even though they've been around for over 60 years, these small aquatic crustaceans still baffle many people today. Prolific comic book ads featuring these pink humanoid creatures made sea monkeys wildly popular in the latter half of the 20th century, and now they're making a comeback with kids today. So how do they really work? What are sea monkeys? And are they even real animals? Sea monkeys are marketed as the world's only instant pets, and yet somehow they're able to sit on shelves, packaged as a toy like this for many months, waiting patiently for someone to come along and discover their curious nature. Let's take a look at the process. When you get a sea monkey kit, it'll usually come with a small plastic tank, 3 sachets, and a feeding spoon. The instructions are straightforward. Firstly, fill the tank with water, preferably distilled water, but any bottled water will do. Next, add in packet number 1, which is called the water purifier. If we have a close look at what's in here though, we can see that it's mostly just salt, but if you have a keen eye and a steady hand, you'll also notice a bunch of tiny brown dots mixed in there too. Closer inspection under a microscope at 100 times zoom shows us what they really are. Those right there are sea monkey eggs. After adding the contents of this packet into the tank, the instructions say we need to give everything a good stir so all of the salts dissolve. Now we have to wait 1 full day before adding in packet number 2, so I guess I'll see you tomorrow for the next step. It's been a long 24 hours of waiting, and I remember when I was a kid doing this for the first time that it felt like an eternity, but it's finally time to add in the second packet, the instant live eggs. But hold up, didn't we see eggs in the first packet? Well, despite what the name says, this sachet is actually just more salt, with a few small food particles for your baby sea monkeys to eat. There's also some blue dye in here, which is supposed to help you see those babies a little better. Let's add it into the tank and give everything a good stir again. The instructions say that after this step, our sea monkeys will hatch instantly, which is where that famous "instant pets" tagline comes from. But really, it takes 24 hours for sea monkeys to emerge from their eggs. They're almost impossible to see at this stage, but those tiny orange dots you see darting around in the tank, those are our first sea monkey babies, and they've hatched from the eggs in the water purifier packet we added in yesterday. It's a simple trick, but an effective one. The false impression of life instantly appearing from salt crystals. These little guys will start growing quickly, and after a few weeks of feeding them from the growth food packet, they'll eventually reach their adult size at around 1.5 centimeters or half an inch in length. Eventually they'll even start mating, and will produce babies of their own. So what's actually going on here? Are these things real animals? The instruction manual says that sea monkeys are a hybrid species of artemia that were made in a lab, having been selectively bred to be both larger and live longer than the species they're derived from. So if they were really made in a lab, does that mean sea monkeys aren't real natural animals? Well, not exactly. The company's founder, Harold von Braunhardt, was a creative inventor, always looking for the next novelty product he could sell to the mass market. During the 1950s, ant farms had surged in popularity and had well and truly become the toy of the time. But they came with one serious downside. You had to source the ants for yourself, and depending on where you lived, that wasn't always easy to do. One day Harold was at a pet store and he noticed a tank full of brine shrimp, which were being sold as a live food source for aquarium owners who often bought them to feed to their pet fish. It was then that Harold had his brilliant idea. The brine shrimp he saw are a species of small crustacean that in their natural environment live in temporary salty pools and lakes. Their life cycle was modelled around the fact that the pools they live in completely dry up during the colder months and then reappear with the return of the spring rains. As an aquatic animal, brine shrimp have had to come up with a clever way to survive these periods of drought. If a pregnant female senses that her habitat is drying up, indicated by an increase in water salinity, she'll produce her young encased in a brown egg-like cyst. What's incredible about these eggs is that they're in a state of cryptobiosis, meaning that when they're dried out, they can survive in a dormant state for decades, and then once they're rehydrated, development of the baby brine shrimp inside will amazingly resume, and they'll hatch from their egg. So by using one of nature's most incredible survival adaptations, Harold von Braunhardt had the novel idea of creating his own aquatic version of the ant farm. But rather than ants, he'd used brine shrimp, which he renamed and marketed as sea monkeys. The idea was actually very simple. All he had to do was put the dried eggs into some small packets with salt, and then they could be shipped anywhere in the world, and the eggs would hatch as soon as they were put into salt water. The idea was genius, and it fixed a problem that ant farms couldn't. Not only could Harold ship a small aquarium to keep your sea monkeys in, but he could also ship the sea monkeys themselves. It didn't take long for them to explode in popularity, in part due to Harold's brilliant idea to advertise them in comic books, bypassing the parents and going straight to his younger target demographic, but also because of how unique the life cycle of sea monkeys are. Their amazing trick to hatch instantly from dried eggs amazed those who saw them in comic books 60 years ago, just as it does today. The brand has produced some famous and, well, infamous products over the years. There have been many unique novelty tank designs, but even more notable are the wearables, such as the Friendship Locket, a necklace to temporarily house your sea monkeys around your neck, or the Aquarium Watch, which allows you to carry your pets with you to school around your wrist. There was even a sea monkey speedway, which let you and a friend race your sea monkeys against each other to find out who's the fastest. I have unboxing and review videos for all of these items, which I'll leave links to down in the description of this video. Honestly, they're even more wild than you can imagine. So, are sea monkeys real animals? Yes. Brine shrimp have existed in nature, largely unchanged for over 100 million years. Their unique ability to lay dormant inside dried eggs for decades has made them an incredibly resilient species, but also the perfect quirky first pet for those wanting to experience a miracle of nature. If you're interested in getting a sea monkey kit of your own so you can experience these amazing animals for yourself, I've left an Amazon link down in the description with a bunch of different tank options and some additional accessories that I think will really help your new colony thrive. I recently created a video with my top 5 tips on how to keep your sea monkeys alive, so I highly suggest you go give that a watch next. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I create new content every week about the hidden world of instant pets. You're always welcome to ask me any questions you have down in the comments too, and I'll catch you in the next one.